Good morning. I'm here in Paris for the Huawei P30 and P30 Pro launch, and I'm gonna have a P30 Pro. So I figured today is probably a good day. Let's try to do a real world battery test on this. So if you guys aren't familiar, real world battery test is now kind of where I'm gonna go throughout my day like I normally would. We do have some events where the Huawei is set up to kind of showcase the phone, so we're gonna go do all that. But I'm gonna use the phone as I normally would, and then just kind of check in on the battery as we're going. Simple, right? So I'm gonna use the camera. We're gonna be doing a lot of like navigation and stuff because I don't wanna get lost, etc. Now, I've been kind of letting it charge and I just took it off while I was getting ready. And we are at 100%, and it's about 10:15 a.m. And I'm gonna head downstairs real quick and get some coffee. Okay, so apparently we're here at this museum and they're doing a Van Gogh exhibit. Big fan of Van Gogh. Actually, if you look in my videos, above my couch that I usually do my videos on is a Starry Night Over the Rhone painting by Van Gogh. So kind of excited to check this out. They're telling us that there's gonna be like projected things and it's very dark in there, so good way to test the camera, I guess is what the point was. Okay, really quick, let's check the battery though. It is 11:20 and we're at 99%. That was kind of cool. Again, I'm a big fan of Van Gogh, or Van Gogh, depending on where you're from. And, you know, he's just like such a tortured man with such a beautiful gift. And it was just, anyway. But that was super cool as well, that like light installation and like, I don't know how the projector, there must have been so many projectors projecting the exact same thing in the exact same place, because no matter where you stood, there wasn't really like a shadow. It was really cool. But now I'm gonna head off to probably go back to the hotel or to a cafe somewhere because I have to get some more work done, and we'll continue from there. In the meantime, I took a bunch of photos, I took a few videos, da-da-da-da-da. It is 12:08 and we're at 93%. I didn't go work. Those guys back there convinced me to go to lunch, and I haven't eaten breakfast, nor did I get my coffee because I was late for the museum. So I got both those things now. Now I'm gonna go work. But while we're here, that's pretty good. It's 2 p.m. now, and we are at 88%. Still not working. I blame him though. Mr. Jaime Rivera.
Who comes to Paris to work except us morons?
I have to get work done, but he has a good point. Like, all right, I'll work eventually right now. Okay, and as usual, let's check the battery while we're here. It is 3:10 essentially, and we are at 84%. Okay, finally got some work done. We're at a lovely coffee shop down the street from the Eiffel Tower, and it's time checking on the battery. As per the usual, we are at, well, it's 6:31, and we are at 70%. I don't know if you guys can see that. So now, Michael Fisher and I don't know if you guys know him, Mr. Mobile, we're gonna go, there he is. What? We're gonna go get some clothes because we're actually supposed to do a dinner on a boat, and we did not dress appropriately, did we?
David, we need to get the clothing. Wrap it up there.
Okay, he's just the worst.
Money is no object. Put it on my tab. Show me to the boat.
Ready. He's ready. Mm-hmm. Now I need something.
Okay.
We tried, but it's too big.
I think it's nice.
It's not nice.
He's very picky.
we've made it to dinner, so it's time for that on a boat, which is lovely. But before we do, let's see where we're at. It is 8:41 p.m. and we are at 63%. Dinner's done. It is 11:30 at night, and we are at a pretty insane 56%. And now we're actually gonna head to where I imagine everybody heads in Paris at night, which is the Eiffel Tower. Duh. It's been a lovely night. We're all getting ready to go home finally. I'm exhausted. I'm also really cold. Who knew Paris was cold? Everyone apparently, because they're all wearing coats. I'm the only one that's not. Yeah. Anyway, let's check in on the battery before we get back to the hotel. It is late. It is 12:25, 12:30 in the morning now. And we're at 52%, which is nuts. Okay, I'm calling it. It is 12:50 in the morning, and we are at 51%. That's crazy. From 10 a.m. essentially to 1 a.m., and I still have half of a battery, and I've been using this like I would any other phone, taking photos, etc. But that's it. I think that concludes our real-world battery test, and I think it also tells us that the new P30 Pro has a great battery, which I'm not that surprised, because the Mate 20 Pro had a really good one. This might be a little bit better, which is awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And also, if you're not already subscribed, check out the rest of the channel. If you like what you see there, please subscribe and ding the bell next to subscribe so you get notified when I do new videos. Otherwise, as always, thanks for watching.